What's up, my people? It's your boy April. In today's video I want to show you how I flipped Ayra hot body into my own beat version. I think I'm going to need it because this light is kind of too much for me. So without wasting time, let's go. So the first thing I did, as usual, is stemming out the vocal.
Body be dancing, slow wine, so my body so fine. Like push, but no matter inside it. 2-1, but no matter inside. Makes sense, so makes sense.
So in the beginning, I have this vocal chop. So after that, there is this vocal chop in the song also. This. So I consolidated the vocal chop in the song and I reversed it, sounding like this. So from there we move to our drum pattern, and this is where it's getting very interesting. So here's our drum pattern.
Look what the hot body can do. Body be dancing, slow wine, so my body so fine. Like push, but no matter inside. 2-1, but no matter inside. Makes sense.
So this drum pattern is not giving me the kind of vibe I need yet. Maybe I want more movement, make it more exciting, or maybe exaggerate it also a little bit. What I did was making this drum pattern unique and remove some elements in the pattern. I removed the kick. Let's see. See, I removed the kick and the conga bass also. That's what I removed. And I consolidated it, which is this. So I added some effects on it. Added this fruity blood overdrive, added fruity flangers, and also added hardcore to it. And that's it. Yeah, this is it. It's what I wanted. So
Dancing, slow. Body be dancing, slow wine, so my body so fine. Like push, but no matter inside. 2-1, but no matter inside. Makes sense, so makes sense. Oh my God, I'm in it.
So also I added this bass in the intro, added 2 bass in the song. This is the first one, added it in the intro and added it in the
Controller, I get in both from my holder. Slow when I slow down.
So I really don't have specific pattern for the 2 basses I had in this song. You know, I just follow my spirits. I allow the spirit to lead me. Sure you get. So this is the second bass.
Look what the hot body. Oh fine, like push, but no matter inside. 2-1, but no matter inside. Makes sense, so makes sense. Oh my God, I'm in resistance. Fragrance from a distance. Makes sense, so makes sense. Body be dancing, controller. I get in both from my holder.
So now moving to the chord, and for the chord I have 2 different patterns. for the chords. So the first one is this. And also we have this. This one contains 3 different elements which I routed into one mixer track. This, and I added some effects to it. So that's it for the chord. So that's it for the chord. So moving to the next step, we have this. As you can see, this is also from the chord. I just shortened it. So let's just listen to how it's sounding. So moving to the next section, which is from here. So I added this. This plug sound. So the next thing I added was in the end part, which is this bell sound. So this is how the bell is sounding with the vocal and what we already added. And also in this section I brought back the vocal chop I added in the intro, as you all can see. So I shouldn't forget this. I added this sound also. I use this for my pad. This sound is a melody signal from Purity. I believe everybody already familiar with this sound.
body hot, body can go.
So the last thing I added to this song is the log drum, which also come in the ending parts only.
So makes sense. Oh my God, I need this distance. Fragrance smell from a distance. Makes sense. So makes sense. Oh my God, I need this distance. Fragrance smell from a distance. Makes sense. So makes sense. Body beat blue.
Like, I love this part. I really love this part. So guys, that's everything we had on this beat. And if you like my version of this song, let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. So what's next? Let's just listen and enjoy.
The body hot, body can move.